gallant about our predicament.
People would rather listen to High and Mighty Audrey on radio than watch my Matters of the Heart on TV.
My mom is no fool. You know, she suspects that money is coming from elsewhere, not her business.
What? When a big network offers to work with you, you say yes. But you do not have a fiancé, neither do you have a diamond ring. Too many lies.
Rehosa says I'm the reason his fiancé left him.
Would you be going as Shubumi or would you be going as Audrey? My ex will be sorely disappointed when she sees that her role model is some boring lady with no sense of style.
You know what? Let's go shopping.